So what do you think? What do you want today?
I don't know, like maybe just kind of like a trim, just like a little trim.
So you really want no maintenance?
No.
Adding those highlights. Hey, what do you think?
Oh my gosh, it's perfect. How did you know?
I think we're gonna take you to Riverdale today.
What's Riverdale?
Oh, you'll find out. Hello, Cheryl Boston. All right, so what are we thinking today?
I like to be more natural, so nothing too crazy, just simple.
Okay, well, I don't do plain.
Really good.
All right, no more plain Jane for you. All right, so what are we gonna do today?
I don't know.
Okay, so you want me to do what I do?
Just do it.
Okay, I did it. Okay, here we go.
I love it! It's so cute!
Mama knows best. What are we doing today?
I just need something different. I'm over this.
Okay, so I'll surprise you. Hey, is this different enough for you?
Oh my gosh. 100%.
Love
You
it.
did so good.
What are you gonna do today?
Actually, it's your turn in the chair.
Okay.
All right, so what are we doing today?
I haven't had a good haircut in like 2 years. You think?
No.
You just have no patience for this. Okay, I just need to stamp for a second.
Are you okay?
Yeah, now I'm good. Oh,
Yeah. What do you think?
okay, you were right. I needed it. So what are we gonna do today?
I just really want the JC treatment. I really want like 3 people working on me at once, just blonder, longer. Give me it all.
All the paperwork with that. Okay, how was your Jay-Z experience?
The only thing that was missing was caviar and champagne.
So honored to have the owner in my chair today.
So I heard you're coming for my brand and you're just like blowing up on TikTok. So I want to see if you can do a short transformation because I know you're all about the long. So I thought we'd give you a challenge today.
Challenge accepted. All right, boss girl.
I guess the rumors are true. You are the best. So sorry I'm like 25 minutes late. Traffic was honestly awful.
Fabulous. So, what are we thinking today?
So I'm thinking of going shorter and going a little bit darker, but I know you always do the opposite of what the client wants. So
So long and blonde.
just no crazy colors or anything like that.
Okay, we'll see what I have time for.
Yeah, no, seriously, like I can't believe it. Like he was seriously all over the place.
Okay, sweetie. Put your chin down. Okay, I'm gonna go grab some texture spray. Don't touch it. I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I love it.
I was feeling pink today. Don't you love it?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I'll meet you up front.